Regrowing limbs sounds like science fiction, doesn't it? It's the kind of thing you might expect to see in a superhero movie or read about in a futuristic novel. Imagine losing an arm and then growing a new one. It seems impossible, but in the animal kingdom, this is a reality for some incredible creatures. Some animals can do just that. They possess the extraordinary ability to regenerate lost body parts, a feat that continues to baffle scientists. Salamanders are champions of regeneration. These fascinating amphibians can regrow not just limbs, but also tails, eyes, and even parts of their hearts and brains. Cut off a salamander's leg, and a new one will grow back. This new limb will be fully functional, complete with all the right bones, muscles, and nerves. It will even have all the right bones, muscles, and nerves. This process is not only fascinating, but also incredibly complex. Starfish are also impressive regenerators. These marine animals can lose an arm and grow it back. Sometimes even more than one at a time. They can lose an arm and grow it back. In fact, a single starfish arm can sometimes regenerate an entire new body, making them one of the most resilient creatures in the ocean. In fact, a single starfish arm can sometimes regenerate an entire new body. This ability is not just a survival mechanism, but a testament to the wonders of evolution. These animals show us the amazing power of nature. Their regenerative abilities are a reminder of the incredible adaptability and resilience of life on Earth. Their abilities make us wonder, could humans ever do the same? As we continue to study these remarkable creatures, we may unlock secrets that could one day lead to breakthroughs in human medicine and healing. Sadly, humans can't regrow limbs like salamanders or starfish. Why not? Our bodies heal differently. When we get cut, our bodies form a scar. Scars are made of tough tissue that helps close wounds quickly. This helps prevent infection, which is important for survival. However, scar tissue also blocks the growth of new limbs. For a limb to regrow, you need to rebuild everything: bones, muscles, nerves, and blood vessels. Our scar tissue prevents this complex process from happening. While we can't regrow entire limbs, our bodies do have some remarkable regeneration abilities that often go unnoticed. For instance, our skin heals itself after a cut, and our liver can regenerate to a certain extent after damage. Young children can sometimes regrow the tips of their fingers after an injury, a phenomenon that continues to intrigue scientists. This shows that humans have some hidden potential for regeneration, a potential that could be harnessed for medical advancements. Scientists are working hard to unlock this potential, delving into the mysteries of our biology. They are studying how animals regenerate and trying to find ways to trigger similar processes in humans, hoping to revolutionize medicine. One promising area of research is stem cells, which hold the key to many regenerative processes. Stem cells are like blank slates. They can turn into any type of cell in the body, offering hope for future treatments and cures. Scientists believe that stem cells could hold the key to human limb regeneration. These remarkable cells have the unique ability to develop into various types of tissues, making them a cornerstone of regenerative medicine. Researchers are tirelessly working to unlock their full potential. By using stem cells, they hope to create new tissues and organs, even entire limbs. This could revolutionize the way we treat injuries and congenital disabilities, offering new hope to millions of people around the world. This research is still in its early stages, but it offers hope for the future. The journey is long and filled with challenges, but the potential rewards are immense. Imagine a world where lost limbs can be regrown, restoring not just function, but also quality of life. While we can't regrow limbs yet, scientific progress is being made every day. Each discovery brings us one step closer to making this dream a reality. The collaboration between scientists across the globe is accelerating advancements in this field. Perhaps one day, the amazing regenerative abilities seen in salamanders and starfish will be possible in humans too. These creatures have long fascinated scientists with their natural ability to regenerate lost body parts. Until then, we can marvel at the wonders of the animal world and support the research that might make limb regeneration a reality for humans. Public support and funding are crucial for the continuation of this groundbreaking work. Together, we can help turn science fiction into science fact.
From flat earth to conspiracy, we'll tackle them with accuracy. Our eye will lend a hand and guide us through this crazy questions proper.